So the equation h power m equal 4 power m plus 18. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it or this, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, let's look at our equation. Have this 8 power m and this 4 power m. We have this 4 and this 8. It is, we see this 8 also can be write 2 power 3 and this we can write it 4 is equal to square. Okay, now this, we see this, I can write it 2 power 3 all power m and equal this 2 squares all power m and plus 18. Okay, now this we use the formulas that we know if a power m all power n is equal a and power m and multiply n. And so this we also can be write this o power m, can be write this, we multiply this and this, we multiply this. And so now this 2 and power 3 and time m and this 2 power 2 times m and split this 18. Okay, now this equation we also can be write this, we get 2 power m all power 3. We also multiply this, we get 3m. And it's equal this 2 power m all squares and plus 18. Okay, now we see this have 2 power m and this 2 power m. So now this I let its new variable. That's let, okay, 2 power m is equal h. That we know that h must be positive because it's exponential function. So now this we replace in this by 8 and this by 8. So now we get 8 power 3 equal this 8 squared plus 18. And now I change both sides of this, both terms of this to the left hand side. So we change this, we change it to the left hand side. So we get this is equal 8 power 3 and minus this 8 squared and minus 18 equal 0. Okay, now this to show this equation, I replace it by 3. Okay, now if I replace it by 3, we get is this 3 power 3 and minus 3 squared and minus 18 and equal 0 or not. You see this 3 power 3 is equal 27 and minus 9 and minus 18 is equal 0 or not. Okay, now this 27 minus 9 we get 18, 18 minus 18 we get 0. So it's equal 0, true. So now this we can write this x minus 3 is one factor of this equation. So now this, so x minus 3 is one factors, okay, it's one factors of equation, okay. Now this we can find the another factors that's by use syntactic divisor. And so this we use this to divide up this, and we take this, we get x minus 3 and multiply this what's part of this equation to multiply this and equal this. So it's equal 0. And to find this, we use the syntactic division that we know that this is equal 3. So we get this 3 and divide by this equal 1 and this equals minus 1 and it's not have h, so I can write it 0 and this minus 18. And so now this, we write this down, we take this down, we get this 1 and now this, we multiply this, multiply and we write this, we get 3 and we plot this. Okay, so now we get 2. Okay, now this, we multiply this, we get 6 and we adding this, we get 6 and we multiply this, we get 18 and we adding this, we get 0. And so now this, we can write this equation by this h square and this plus 2h and plus 6. Okay, now this, we have two factors is equal 0. If now two factors equal 0, we can be write this one factor is minus 3 equals 0. All this h squared plus 2h plus 6 equals 0. And so now this h minus 3 equals 0. So now I change 3 to the right hand side. So we get this h equals 3. Okay, now this. And this we use discriminant that this we use data is equal this 2 squares and minus this 4 multiply 1 and multiply 6. And so this is equal 4 and minus 24 and equal minus 20 is negative. It has no real root. Okay, it's no real root of this equation. Okay, now there is no real root, so it's only one root that is equal to 3. And we know that we let this h equal to power m. So if h equals 3, so we get to power m equals 3. And now this, I put log basic 2 both sides of this equation. And so now this, we can change m to the right hand side. It's in front of log. And so now this, we can write be m and multiply log basic 2 of 2 equal log basic 2 of 3. And now this log basic 2 of 2 is equal 1. So this we get m and multiply 1 and equal log basic 2 of 3. And now this m multiply 1 is equal m. And so now this m equal log basic 2 of 3. So now thus we get the solution of the values of m. Thus m equal log basic 2 of 3 is our answer. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.